I'll just walk through this the same way I would if you were sitting next to me. I'm not going to sell anything or explain tools. I'll just show you what actually happens. So this is where it starts. You upload your listing images into Google Drive, usually around 10. These are the same images you'd upload to Etsy anyway. Then you fill out this form. Basic product info, product, SKU, product type, who it's for, and one reference image. Once you submit this, you're done. Everything else just runs. From here, the workflow takes over. There are 4 parts. They always run in the same order. First, the system prepares the listing data. Titles, descriptions, tags, alt text. Nothing is published here. It's just turning the form input into structured Etsy data. Next is delivery. The system creates a folder in your Google Drive for the product. That's where you upload the digital files. At the same time, it takes that folder link and generates the download PDF. This is the file Etsy gives the buyer after purchase. So, when someone buys, they get a branded download PDF with the correct link. After that, the images are prepared for the listing. They're collected, kept in order, and made ready for Etsy. Nothing creative here, just making sure the right images are used. Finally, the system creates the Etsy listing as a draft. Images uploaded, text applied, tags set. Nothing is published automatically. At this point, everything is already in Etsy. You're looking at a full draft listing. Images are there, text is there, downloads are attached. Nothing is locked. You can adjust pricing. You can tweak details if you want. The only manual step left is selecting the product type. For example, clip art, and tweak some attributes. That usually takes a minute. After that, you publish when you're ready. So from your side, the flow is simple. Upload images, fill one form, come back to a draft listing and a ready delivery setup. That's the whole system. If you want to go deeper into how this is set up, there's more detail linked below. That's where I keep the templates and the walkthroughs for people actually using this.